So instead of throwing away all your wood ash, you can see over there I've already taken it out, but there you got some logs and it's starting to turn into charcoal. Another name for wood ash is potash, and this has some charcoal in it. It contains 12 of the 15 nutrients your garden actually needs. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and as the title says, today we are going to be collecting some of the wood ash, and we're going to go back outside and I'm going to show you how you can use wood ash in the garden. So over here I've gone and collected all the wood ash, and wood ash is fantastic. It contains potassium, which is the highest in wood ash. It also has things like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, and this all actually benefits your garden. So wood ash will also help your veggies and your fruits taste a little bit healthier, will taste better, it will taste sweeter, and also it will help with pest resistance. But there is one danger with wood ash, and that is it's high in alkaline. So I would actually make sure that you test your soil before you add any of wood ash in your raised beds, in your pots, in your garden beds. And for that, I would suggest getting a pH meter. You cannot add any wood ash in your garden if your soil is 6.5 or above. Your plants will not benefit from this. Wood ash will actually harm your plants. It will actually harm the soil. It will harm the growth of your actual herbs that you grow in, your plants, your fruit trees, because your soil, if the pH is correct and you go and add wood ash, what will happen is that your plants will actually soak up so much nutrients that it can't actually soak up anymore, and it can actually harm the plant. So by adding more wood ash to your soil, you giving your plants a chance of getting more pest prone, and more disease prone, and it will actually weaken your veggies and your fruits. Only add wood ash to your garden once a year, because that's more than enough for your plants to soak up that nutrients it needs. If you're going to add any more than that, as I said before, there's just too much nutrients in there, and your plants can only soak up as much nutrients as it possibly can. So don't go and harm your plants if it's not necessary to add wood ash to your gardens. Make sure that when you collect your wood ash and you've got loads left still, to store it in a very well placed that is dry, because you do not want your wood ash to get wet. What's going to happen is that all these nutrients will get washed away. So make sure that you put it in a packet and in maybe a sealed container so that it's protected for the next time you need to add wood ash to your garden. You can go and use a little bit of wood ash on your apple trees and your plum trees. They love potassium, and you can even use it on your green peppers or pepper plants, on your onions, on your garlic, on your carrots. They absolutely love some wood ash, but remember to give it in a small portion and only once a year. And also remember to test your soil before you go and add any wood ash. So even though wood ash is fantastic to use on these crops, there is one huge no-no, and that is do not use wood ash on your potatoes or even your sweet potatoes. Also, do not use it on any of your tomato crops. You can see some beautiful tomatoes still popping up here. Don't use it on your tomatoes, and do not use it on blueberries. Do not use it on anything that love acids soil, because that will just not benefit any of your crops. Also, do not use it on your beans, because beans love neutral soil, and that just will not benefit that crop at all. So that was a very quick and short video on how to use your wood ash in your garden. And I am saying that because winter is around the corner and cold fronts are starting to hit South Africa already, and we all got our fireplaces going. So don't waste your wood ash. Use it around your garden. Remember to use it wisely. Do your research. And if you do use wood ash, comment below and tell me what crops you use it on, and has it made a difference in your garden. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe so you don't miss out on any more garden tips. And remember, we're here to learn together as we grow together. I'll see you guys all in the next video.